Hello, welcome back to AH Tech. Today I am going to unboxing Maono AU100 a lavalier microphone. This is how the outer package and box looks like. In the box, MRP mentioned as 2499, but I purchased this from Amazon about 699 INR. I will give link in the description box below. So if you want to purchase, then please check in the description box. So without any delay, let's unbox the mic. This is how the inner package looks. It is covered by thick plastic cover. So let's see what's inside the package. Let's open the cover case. At first you can observe it is silica gel. Don't eat or don't give it to the children. It may be very poisonous. You can see so many of the items are lying in the box. Let's open upper box and see what's in under the package. It looks like a card. If you are happy with the gadget, then give a positive comment. If you are not, then you can give feedback to the Maono company. Here's the user manual. That's all are in the Chinese. If you don't know how to use it, then you can go through that. This is carry pouch for your microphone. Inside the microphone there's a button battery and as well as one more wind muff. If you are a YouTuber or TikToker, you surely heard about Boya mic. This is the best alternative for Boya. You can buy Boya microphone for about 1000 rupees, but Maono AU100 you can buy it for about 699 rupees only. At first I purchased Boya mic too, but it came to be duplicate from Amazon. So I switched to Maono microphone. There are two wind muffs given in the box itself. It is a metallic clip. It will hold your mic to your shirt collar. You can clip your microphone through this wherever you need. The quality of the wire is very good. Even the build quality of the mic is adorable. This is the adapter for 3.5mm head jack. This is 3.5mm head jack. You can connect this microphone to your personal PC, DSLR or even to your smartphone. It is a 20 feet cable. It is a bit long cable that you can put your smartphone 20 feet away from your microphone and make a video. This is how the condenser looks. Inside this condenser, there's a battery placed in it. Also there is a clip to hold condenser to your belt. Let's open the condenser and see how the battery is placed. The build quality of Maono microphone is better than Boya mic. Now you can see this is how the battery is placed. There is two button batteries given in the box itself. If you go for Boya, they don't give extra batteries or wind muffs in the box, and that too with a higher price. There is a sliding switch in the condenser that will switch between DSLR and smartphone. If you switch to smartphone, it doesn't use battery. Till now I given voiceover through this microphone. Now I am talking with normal mobile microphone. Compare between this yourself. What's the difference between these two microphones? Now I am recording with AKG Samsung headset. So compare with this microphone with yourself. Which is better, normal mobile microphone or AKG microphone or Maono lavalier microphone? I think Maono microphone's result comes out very good. Now I am switching back to Maono microphone. Sorry, I took about 5 minutes to put wind muffs on. It's like changing diaper for the babies. If you want to buy Maono microphone, then go ahead. This is very good microphone. This is even better than Boya mic. That too with low price. If you want advice, then go for Maono mic over Boya. That's it for the video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.